So the queen is released. They ate through the sugar plug and she's out. Some beautiful honey frames going in. Just looks wonderful. Blue hive showing some good brood pattern there. They're getting started on this other side, but this looks good to start. White hive, just the start of putting some honey in the super. So there's small hive beetles in the white hive, so I'm going to put in these beetle blaster traps with diatomaceous earth in them to catch the beetles. Here's the white hive putting in brood, and you'll see the brood, drone comb coming in here, which is a sign that they're feeling confident enough to make drones. Pink hive. Ladies have started putting brood in with the honey super, so I got to figure out what to do about that.